Hello guys, so let's see the solution of the given exercise, that was fourth. Okay, so the question was how to find out, how to segregate, you can say that, even and odd numbers from the list. So I have told you what we can do here. We have to define a function. Okay, and this is my list. Okay, you can define any list. I have taken this one, and what type of output I want, my expected output is this one. Okay, so means I want the odd numbers separate and even numbers separate in under one list. Okay, fine. So there are two lists within one list. Okay, so let's see how to do that. I hope you all have tried it, but let's see. Okay, so here what I have to do first, as I told you, we have to define a function. Okay, so I am defining function here, that is find. Okay, odd, I have to find odd, even. Okay, then I'm passing L argument. Fine. So after that I have to define one empty list so that I can fill in the I can segregate the list. Okay, so I am defining here odd list 1, okay, is equal to empty list. Then after that even list 2, even list 2. Okay, and after that I am simply going to use the for loop here. Okay, so let's see what how to use that. So I am writing here for I in L. Okay, now I have to take if also, because I have to segregate even and odd numbers. So even, how do we say that the number is even? If the remainder comes 0, okay, then we used to say that it's even number. And if there is remainder comes, because it's not completely divisible, okay, like 1 2 3 remainder comes, then we used to say it's odd. Okay, so let's see here, okay, how we will do it here with the help of list in Python. So I will write here if I modulo 2, okay, equals 0. Clear? Means what I mean to say here now, I mean to say that if number, any number I that I will pass here is divided by 2, okay, the remainder comes 0, okay, then it would be even number, and that value has to be put inside the even list. Okay, even list 2 dot append I. Okay, else if it is not even, then what it has to do, it has to print odd list, odd list 1, okay, dot append I. Oh, append I. Okay, now I simply want the output. Okay, so let's pass one variable here, create a list here. Okay, one, I'm creating a list over here under which I want my odd list 1 and even list 2. Okay, fine. Clear? Then return. Of course I have to return the value, return output. Okay, now after that what I have to do, I have to simply call my list. Okay, the list that I have written here, any list you can take, that that is your choice. Okay, because I have given you here, so I'm taking that list only. Fine. So this is my list. Okay, so that means I want out of this list, it segregates odd numbers here, okay, and even numbers here. Fine. So let's see. So for that purpose I have to call my function here. Fine. So my function is find odd, find odd even. Okay, then I will pass here list. Fine, I will call here. So after that, because I have to print the value, so I will print it. Okay, so let's see now. Let me run it and let's see the output. Oh, great. You can see here odd numbers are segregated in one list and even numbers are segregated in another list. So this is how, guys, you can separate out odd and even numbers. You can take any list here. You can take 11 to 20, 20 to 30, any. So it will do like this only. I hope the concept is clear to you. What I am doing, I am explaining again. I have defined here one function and I have created one empty list of odd numbers so that I can put in the values over here. Okay, whosoever is odd. Fine. And second list I have created here, that is even. Okay, that is even list 2. Now after that I am using the for I in L, means okay, whatever the number is there, okay, in place of I, like it can be 1, it can be 2, 3, 4, any number. Okay, for that has to be put in the list. But how to put it in the list? It has to cross check the, it has to cross check here first. Means it is saying if I modulo 2 is equal to 0, if remainder comes 0, if suppose, like if we say that number came here 10, 10 is divided by 2, that is 5. Okay, remainder is 0, that means that number is 0 and that number has to be append here. Okay, so same method here that I am doing. Fine, else otherwise it will print the odd list. Okay, so it is storing all the values in this list. Fine, so after that I am returning output. I have declared here my list and after that I am printing it. I hope this exercise is clear to you. Thank you.